Number 2, make use of the database Thesaurus. If the database has one, it can help you find the right terms for your search. Two databases that are used frequently in psychology are PsycInfo and PubMed, and both of these have thesauri. So let's go ahead and show you how to get to those. So first we'll start from the library's research guide for psychology, and we'll click on PubMed. And once you get to the main screen for PubMed for searching, you'll want to scroll down to explore the MESH database. MESH, by the way, stands for medical, ME for medical, subject headings. So we'll go into this database, which is a list or a thesaurus of all the different medical subject headings, and we'll search for bedwetting. So you'll see that the main term or the major subject heading to use for bedwetting is actually nocturnal enuresis. So once I know that, I'll go ahead and go back and add that to my list of search terms that I've been compiling. In this case, I'll want to enclose this two-word term in quotes so that I'll search for those words in that order when I'm searching for articles in a database. Now let's go back and I'll show you how to get to the thesaurus in PsycInfo. So I'll choose PsycInfo, and once that opens up, I'll show you how to get to the thesaurus. Now, when we enter from library web pages, usually it's set to land on the advanced search tab automatically. If you find yourself on the basic search screen, you won't see the link for the thesaurus. So you'll need to click on this advanced search tab in order to get there. And you'll see that it shows up right here. So we'll go into the thesaurus and we'll search for bedwetting. Here's bedwetting, and I'll expand that to see what they are. And you'll see here, used for bedwetting, the subject heading for bedwetting is actually, in this database, urinary incontinence. So if I expand that, it'll tell me what terms that I can use. In addition to urinary incontinence, I can use enuresis and bedwetting as well. So once I know that, I'll add that to my running list of terms. And I can refer back to this list often and when I switch from database to database.